Oh my gosh. Finally dragged myself to the weekend. I feel like I just survived a world war, with bombs flying everywhere.
What kind of war is that scary?
The war of waking up every morning. The main enemy is the alarm clock, blaring like an air raid siren.
Oh, the battlefield called, the cozy bed.
Exactly. The most dangerous enemy in human history, so soft it makes me want to surrender immediately.
It tempts you like, just 5 more minutes, it'll be fine?
That's right. Every time the alarm rings, my heart aches like breaking up with my first crush.
So do you get up right away?
Sure, get up, to turn off the alarm, and roll back to sleep.
Haha, then sleep in deep regret, right?
Yeah, tormented like, tomorrow I'll wake up early to make up for it, but every tomorrow is the same.
You live with such a lazy inner world.
What about you? Tell me about your scientific routine.
Very scientific. Wake up exactly at 6 a.m.
Sounds so pro.
But I lie in bed until 7 a.m. before crawling out, like warming up the engine.
Oh, warming up the soul? What data do you download?
Thinking about what to eat today, that's yummy. How sleepy I am. And if I can skip class.
All VIP data. Affecting national security.
What do you do first in the morning?
Open my eyes and groan. Why does the sky brighten so fast like a rocket?
Blaming the poor sky? What did it do?
But I still blame it. Like the sky is trolling me.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, when my brain suddenly remembers, around 10 a.m.
That's brunch, not breakfast.
I call it late breakfast. Sounds more poetic.
Your stomach must be a superhero, enduring hunger like it's nothing.
Yeah, it's been through tough training.
Poor stomach, it probably protests a lot.
What about your full breakfast?
Fully loaded. A loaf of bread and a huge milk tea.
That's full? Carbs, sugar, and happy calories.
Exactly, missing veggies? Make up for it at dinner, for that healthy living feeling.
Emna is a master of life balance, like a circus artist.
How do you balance?
Today, starving. Tomorrow, eat double, like volatile stocks.
But still healthy as ever, right?
Healthy in a always sleepy way. Sleepiness is my brand.
You can sleep anywhere, like a superpower.
Bus seat, desk, even, right now if you weren't talking.
Oh my gosh, this park is so beautifully sparkling and you're sleeping? Cool breeze, birds chirping like live music.
Exactly, perfect soundtrack for a nap.
No sleeping, sit up and talk to me.
Hearing that, I'm wide awake, no coffee needed.
See, I'm natural coffee. No sugar, no milk, but addictive.
I've been addicted for a while. Addicted to sitting with you every weekend.
Sounds cute, like sweet as candy.
Sincere. Weak tired as a dog. Meeting you charges my battery to 100%.
Me too. Week so sleepy I want to cry. Weekend with you, I'm grinning ear to ear.
So this park is our charging station, huh?
Charge health, charge spirit, charge laziness.
Emna, what do you do at night?
Eat dinner, shower, then lie hugging my phone like a teddy bear.
Same as me. Say just a bit, and 3 hours fly by.
Haha, exactly. We're probably in the cute lazy system.
Lazy with strategy. Plan to sleep on time.
But do you exercise?
Sure. When late for school, I run a marathon from home to class.
Emergency cardio, panting like escaping zombies.
Very effective. What about you?
At night, I wave my arms and legs a few times, then too tired and lie down.
Haha, we live on survival instinct.
Instinct to eat well and sleep deeply, but pretty fun.
For me, daily routine, with you telling stories, is like a party.
And for me, having you listen makes me talk non-stop.
So promise. Every weekend at this park, rain or shine.
Promise! To tell each other stories of sleeping late, eating late, lazy, exercising, but happy.
But fun, happy in a quality, lazy way.
Alex, how was your studying last week?
Studied diligently, opened the book every day,
And
then stared at it for about 3 minutes, using all my life's willpower.
oh my gosh, 3 minutes counts as diligent?
After that, my brain says low battery, need recharge by, nodding off.
Studying like that and still good. You must be a hidden genius.
But I have a secret. Place the book on my chest before sleeping, so knowledge seeps into my heart.
Good heavens, studying like superstitious witchcraft.
But my heart holds important things, like you.
Oh, using affection to dodge studying?
No, sincere. How do you study?
I'm a bit more serious. Open book and read for 5 minutes straight.
Oh, pro by 2 minutes. Impressive.
5 minutes of high quality. Read without understanding anything.
Haha, studying mainly by spirit, like effort alone is enough.
But near exams, I turn into sleepless superhuman.
That intense? Eyes wide, pen in hand, mumbling like chanting.
Serious for an hour, then my brain says, that's enough to pass.
My brain says that after 1 minute.
Your brain is lazy by nature. Probably born that way.
But during tests, I'm nervous like auditioning for an action movie.
Me too, heart pounding like a rock drum.
See the questions and want to cry. They look familiar but brain blanks.
Like meeting an old crush but forgetting the name.
I often stare at the ceiling thinking, like a philosopher.
Figure it out?
No, but look smart.
I look down at the desk to shake less like a leaf.
Finally, I guess, pick the one that looks kind.
Doing the test by physiognomy? Sometimes it hits.
Yeah, luck is my superpower.
I reason carefully, then change answers all over till confused.
Haha, confused exam warrior.
But getting grades is exciting, like opening Christmas gifts.
High score happy all day, low sad all week.
But having you tell silly stories makes me laugh right away.
Having you console it's okay makes me feel light.
So let's try to study better together.
Yeah, from next week I'll read for 5 minutes like you.
Progress by only 2 minutes? Slow as a turtle.
Gradually increase. Tutor me?
Okay, but not often I'll bonk your head.
Ouch, but endure. Better than failing.
Good boy. But you have to sit near me for motivation.
Exactly. Near you, battery full, alert as a bird.
You have so many tricks, but heartfelt ones are okay.
Even if studying is tiring, with you it's fun like a party.
Yeah, if not good at studying, at least laugh a lot.
Study and laugh. Like happy learning.
Alex, suddenly I feel this park is more beautiful than usual. We come every week. What's different?
It is different. Today you smile more, like turning on neon lights for the whole area.
Oh my gosh, such a simple reason but sounds so cheesy.
Not cheesy, true. Your smile upgrades the park to VIP level.
So, if I'm sad?
Then the sky darkens, like a total blackout.
Sounds touching like a Korean drama.
So I always want to make you smile, like a superhero mission.
You've done it. Being with you makes me happy automatically.
So I have the superpower make Emna laugh level.
Why so special?
Because your smile is the most important. Like a treasure.
So sweet. My heart melts like ice cream.
If it melts, I'll pick it up. Keep in my heart forever.
Talking like a romance movie script.
But it's real life movie, 5-star rating.
So when did you start liking me?
From the first second we met, thought why does this girl smile so cute like a painting?
And I thought, why does this guy look kind but silly cute?
Silly but got your attention, big win for me.
The more we talk, the more I find you adorable, caring about tiny details.
Because details about you are big deal to me.
Heartwarming, like hugging a warm bear.
Emna, what if you're sad?
Come to the park, sit and wait for you to save my spirit.
If I'm sad, I'll come here to find you too.
So the park is our meeting point for mixed joys and sorrows, huh?
Yeah, where we're together, even if the world falls apart.
Even when busy later, keep this habit.
Promise. Even when old and gray.
Even with hunched backs?
Still, hold hands, come here, tell stories slowly.
Imagining it is funny, but happy like grandparents.
Emna,
What?
I don't need anything grand, just weekends sitting next to you like this.
Simple but precious like gold.
Because with you, small things become masterpieces.
And I need someone to listen to my random stories.
I'll listen for life, until you get bored.
Won't get bored, because you make me laugh every day.
So, if I'm sad, you'll make me laugh?
Deal! Emna, huh?
I like you a lot. Like addicted.
I know, your face shows it all.
So do you like me?
If not, I wouldn't sit here every week, enduring your silly stories.
Hearing that my heart beats like festival drums, so happy.
Beat moderately lest you tire. Me too.
So, promise, even if life spins wildly,
Weekends still at this park.
tell random stories, laugh silly.
And be together, like happy ending forever.